How to get verified in Coverstar. Now in this quick video, I'm going to show you tips and tricks for you to easily get verified on your Coverstar account. Now there is no actually secrets in doing this. The main problem is all you have to do first once you have fully created or set up your account, make sure that everything you add in here or in your profile are appropriate and true to life. Set up your avatar, follow for specific users that you think that you can have any ideas in it to create contents. And then at the top right, you can go into gear settings and you can go into account. And from account information, make sure that the email address that you're using here are all legal and usable. Getting verified in this specific platform right here is just to avoid spamming. Do not spam comments or spam follow others as this does not speed up the process. Now, the main technique on doing this is to focusing on building a genuine, engaged audience on the platform is the best way to earn a verified badge. Make sure that you put art on the content that you're creating into Coverstar so that you'll get verified as soon as possible. And I believe that's pretty much it. That's how you get verified in Coverstar.